Hi! Now I am going to show you how I make Raglan decreases like this. Here you see the right decrease and the left decrease, and there are no stitches, no column in between, just the decreases. As you can see, the decreases sort of overlap the other stitches, and you can see the stitches on the right and the left side, they lean towards the decreases. So what I do is that I work my way towards the first decrease and I stop when I have one stitch left. And I want this decrease to angle towards the right and place itself on top of the stitch on the outside. And to do that, I simply knit the two stitches together like this. I bring my needle through both stitches from right towards left and I knit them together like this. And then next decrease, I want that one to lean the opposite direction, and to do that I slip the first stitch, I slip the second, and I stick my left needle through both stitches like this and knit them together, and then I can continue. And here you can see how they became symmetrical and overlaps the stitch next to them. And I will do these decreases on every second round. So in the next round I will simply knit over all the stitches, no decreasing, and then I will decrease in the round after that again. And that's all. Thank you for watching.